6 feet 6 inches of pure, untamed wildness.
This is the animal.
The following contest is a tag team match scheduled for one fall. Introducing first, from Washington, D.C., weighing in at 290 pounds, the Animal, BATISTA!
Oh, the Animal will punish with no remorse and no mercy.
Batista's story is that
Make way for the head of the table.
I think we can all agree we are seeing a once-in-a-lifetime competitor.
And his partner, representing the Bloodline, from Pensacola, Florida, weighing...
Here's someone who always has a plan and always knows who he's dealing with. It's Seth freaking Rollins.
Think of everything Seth Rollins has been through, everything he's accomplished. He can adapt to any situation.
And from David...
here comes a heavy hitter. Joe Coffey's here to hurt someone badly.
A brawler who's paid his dues in battles across Europe and the United States, and he is thirsty for more.
Representing Gallus from Glasgow, Scotland, weighing in at 248 pounds.
And this is sure to be a hard-hitting tag team battle. Competitors set for action. In this one, we get to see Batista and Roman Reigns. And in the other corner, they will be dealing with Seth Rollins and Joe Coffey.
These teams have built up lots of animosity towards each other, and now they have finally reached a tipping point. I would expect Bedlam to break... Oh, man!
Seth Rollins' chances are whittling down.
Yeah, Batista with impressive offense.
No respect being shown whatsoever with those stomps.
A leg drop.
Leg drop.
Oh, my goodness. Oh, man, that's like death.
His shoulders are down. No, he lets him out.
Draped across the top rope.
Clubbing forearm. German suplex released. Single leg drop kick caught him.
Landed face first.
The visionary allowing us all to appreciate his very presence.
And that was offense with a hurtful purpose. And Rollins getting battered there.
Yeah, this is exactly why constant, frequent tags are so important in a match like this, to keep fresh.
That's a good tag.
Oh, I missed you. I wanted to knee you in the face again.
Rollins goes behind for the schoolboy.
Super kick after the schoolboy. My goodness.
Oh, that didn't go as Seth designed.
Sidewalk slam.
Had that one scouted. Hits him with the counter. Ah, jumping knee strike.
Lights out.
And set right into the corner.
Non-stop blows.
My God, enough. Yes, tag!
Ouch! Oh, right to the back of the neck. What a blow.
Good night. Expected that one.
Oh, my God. What a kick.
Watch the quickness on this. Whipped over in a snap suplex. Stopped them in their tracks with a kick to the gut.
Oh, right to the back of the neck. What a blow.
Good night.
Oh, by a forearm smash. No! Joe looking unfocused after that blow.
And that's the kind of offense that's going to earn Reigns a spot in the Hall of Fame.
I felt the vibration of that one from all the way over here.
Draped across the top rope.
Clubbing forearm. Momentum has pivoted towards Roman.
Any of Rollins' defenses have been pegged. Snap power slam.
He may get the 3 count right here.
I think so.
He didn't even let the ref start the count.
Oh, what a punch.
That's how you stop your opponent.
There's the tag. Oh, strong impact.
And Joe saw it coming.
Uh-oh. Thunderous powerbomb.
Springboard off the top rope. Oh.
Punch lands. Averting danger with an elbow to the stomach.
Oh, that hurt right to the kidney.
Golly.
He's absorbed some damage already.
Oklahoma slam.
Stop after stop after stop.
Batista about to get what he wants.
And Joe holding him at bay.
Tackles ruthless.
Seth Rollins gonna put his opponent away.
Oh, there it is. Ripcord knee. Pull back in. Belly-to-belly suplex. Oh,
Every maneuver being returned with counter fire.
neck breaker.
Great resistance and a neck breaker counter. Oh my gosh, what impact!
Fought off with an elbow.
Oh, caught him.
Uh-oh, wait a minute, wait a minute.
Pedigree.
With that, Rollins has opened up an opportunity to keep Roman off balance.
Tag made, fresh man in.
Batista with the tag.
An opening for Batista here.
Batista looks knocked out.
Cover.
He is delivering elbow after elbow.
Boom, running STO plants him.
Nicely done. Taking a moment to get pumped off of this crowd's incredible energy.
Oh, clothesline. He is mentally and physically exhausted now.
He needs to get himself some room to regroup fast. This is what he feeds off of. Moments like this big match feel. Boom!
Producing a trampling. An unrelenting assault being brought to Joe Coffey.
Call animal control. Batista.
Batista with a Batista mind submission. An extreme. Oh, look at. Oh, man.
One blow, all it took.
Sidewalk slam. Almost drove him through the ring. Tag made.
And Seth taking some time to, well, who knows what his thought process is at this point.
And he gets set back into the ring.
Ow! This could do it!
And Batista pops the shoulder up.
It's unthinkable. Someone beating the 1 count at this point? Picture perfect drop kick. Rollins with a head of steam. Big air. Yeah, totally on that. Now Rollins needs to end this.
Makes the cover. Oh, finally, monumental victory.
Here are your winners, the team of Seth Rollins and Joe Coffey.
And they pick up the victory thanks in large part to Seth Rollins.
A true team effort. This right pairing can certainly do wonders, and make no mistake,